Today, we'll show you how to use the controls on your Thermador Star Sapphire dishwasher. We'll cover how to control multicolor star glow, how to interrupt, cancel, or delay the start of the wash cycle, and how to control the rinse aid and salt dispenser indicator lights. Multicolor Star Glow lets you change your interior lighting to a custom color. It's available once you pair your appliance with Home Connect. First, select Star Sapphire in your Home Connect app. Then select Star Glow under Quick Actions. Choose the Custom Color tab. When the color wheel appears, touch and move the color to create a custom glow. In case you need to interrupt your wash cycle, open the door. To continue the wash cycle, press the Start Resume button and close the door. If your dishwasher door remains open for more than 4 seconds after pressing the Start button, the operation will be paused. To resume, press the Start button again and close the appliance door. To cancel a wash cycle, press and hold the Start Resume button for 3 seconds. Cycle Canceled will appear on the screen. The Delay Start feature allows you to delay the start of the wash cycle by up to 24 hours, depending on the setting of the time display. The end of the cycle is indicated with Finish In. For example, finish in 3 hours 25 minutes, or Finish At. For example, finish at 5 o'clock. To delay the start of your dishwasher, first open the door. Then press the On/Off button. Select Wash Cycle. Press Delay Start. Press the plus and minus buttons until the displayed time matches your desired setting. Press Start, and the delayed start is now activated. Close the door and the delayed program will start as specified. If you want to clear the delay start time, press Start and hold for 3 seconds. When your dishwasher supply of rinse aid is running low, the low rinse aid indicator will light up on the control panel. Rinse aid should then be refilled for stain-free utensils and clear glassware. To turn off the low rinse aid indicator light, select setting 0. You can customize the amount of rinse aid dispensed by setting it anywhere from 0 to 6. For instance, setting it to 5 will achieve a very good drying result. Do not change the rinse aid setting unless there are streaks or water stains on utensils. Set a lower level to avoid streaks. Set a higher level to avoid stains. Dishwasher salt can help you avoid hard water stains for spot-free dishes. Salt should be topped off as soon as the low salt indicator lights up on the digital display. After the salt dispenser is refilled, the low salt indicator light will turn off automatically. If you choose not to use salt, but want to turn off the indicator light, press and hold the Info button. Use the arrow button to navigate to water hardness. Press the minus button to decrease the water hardness level until 0 soft. The Wi-Fi connected experience with Home Connect enhances and elevates how you interact with your dishwasher. Benefits include remote control and monitoring via the app, voice command, or from your smartwatch, easy personalization of settings, including water hardness, rinse aid, and more. Easy starting for cycle and option selection. Notifications when a cycle is completed or if a leak is detected. Online access to parts and accessories. In-app support, including tips and tricks, use and care manuals, and remote troubleshooting. Connect to Amazon's Smart Reordering for automated detergent inventory management. And more new features coming soon. Thank you for watching. We hope you have a better understanding of how to use the basic controls on your Thermador Star Sapphire dishwasher.